What up, fam? It's your boy Mo Apo TV, ladies and gentlemen. You're witnessing Saito live performance. Siyempre, this is Easyworks Auto Show, brought to you by Cars Plus Coffee, Alabang Town Center, and Uncle Max, mga kapatid, with the Cinepop Babes. Saito, let's go!
Thank you. Grabe. Thank you.
Congrats.
Buti nakapunta ka. Kamusta ka?
Oo naman, medyo okay na. Sabi sa'yo eh.
Magpagod masyado. Ikaw naman. Masakit ka niyan.
Congrats ha. Successful talaga. Ibang klase ka talaga, Doc.
Hindi. Pares. Picture.
Oh! Starry yun. Starira yun. Go ahead. Hindi na kita masalang istorben, napaka-busy mo pa.
Salamat.
Media.
Dito lang kami sa likod.
Salamat.
Paros.
No, it sounds funny, but I just can't stand the pain. Girl, I'm leaving you tomorrow. Seems to me, girl, you know I've done all I can. You see a big stone and I borrowed. Yeah.
Naka-register sa amin, nasa 400 plus, bukod pa yung hindi nakapag-register. Nakakabaliw. Opera. Kasi ang dami, unlimited picturean.
I'm easy like Sunday morning. That's why I'm easy.
Maraming salamat. Hindi namin expect na ganito kalaki. Especially nagsimula ng 11 AM. Wala nang hinto hanggang nag-ribbon cutting, tag-opening tayo ng 5 o'clock. Sobrang nagulat kami at nakakataba ng puso. So Uncle Max is a coffee brand. So hope for your support. We'll be launching Uncle Max in a few weeks. Mabibili nyo na sa online and other distributors.
We're going to unveil the project car of Doc Chris in 3, 2, 1!
With Cars Plus Coffee, in collaboration with Doc Chris of Easyworks Garage. Maraming salamat. Also, with si Master dumating. Maraming salamat, Master, sa pagsuporta. Ang Master Garage team, tumugtog pa, sila ang Dali of nila Boss Romeo ng Master Garage. Maraming salamat. Hindi namin kayo makakalimutan. Till our next event, hopefully magsama-sama tayo ulit.
This is how we do it. This is how we do it.
I wanna thank your wife kasi kung hindi tayo pinapayagan ng mga asawa natin mag-project car, hindi matutuloy yan, no?
Yes, totoo yan. Yan ang isa sa pinakamalaking challenge.
Factor. Nang
papayagan ka na asawa mo. Alam mo yan. Yes, ito yung bagong kulay ng Nippon Paint. So, maraming salamat, Nippon Paint, kila Sir Omar.
pumunta, lalo na sa Master Garage, lagi nakasuporta. Master Jojo, thank you so much, grabe. Daming sponsor, ang daming nakasuporta sa atin. So, sobrang saya ko, sobrang overwhelming. Thank you, thank you. Master Garage, go ahead.